Hey everybody, it's Taylor here at Top Shelf Trailers. Today we're going to go over just a couple of things that we get asked quite a bit. The first thing is what kind of fluid do we use? Well, we use automatic transmission fluid. Our trailers are designed that it's all self-contained, so you should never have to add or replace any fluid unless either A, you have a hydraulic leak, or B, your battery runs dead. The second question we get is, well, how do you charge your trailer? You know, my trailer's not charging. Well, we offer 3 different points of charge. Your main source of power is going to come through the 12 volt of the truck, followed by our secondary point with a 110 trickle charge plug here and our 7-watt trickle charge here, okay? So how do you check that? How do you know your truck is charging properly? Well, all our trailers have a red indicator light in the box. So when you plug in your 7-way and you go to raise it up on a telescopic or up and down on a dual ram, that red indicator light should come on. So now I'm going to give you an example of that. So as you raise it up, the red indicator light right here should be glowing red, okay? On a dual ram, obviously, it'll show it up and down. If that light doesn't come on, all right, check the fuses that we have installed in the box. If the fuse is blown, replace it, you'll be good to go. If the fuse is not blown, then you'll need to check the fuse in your truck. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And everybody have a great day.